Are given. Number of subgroup of Z10. Some theorem related to subgroup as Lagrange theorem. Very important theorem in group theory. Order of the subgroup divide the order of the group. This is the group of order 10. So all possible subgroup will divide 10, and number of subgroup of Z10 will be tau 10. Tau 10 prime factorization of 10 are 2, 5 is 10 and 5, 1 is 5. So tau 2 into tau 5, and this is the power 1, 1. So 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 1. So value is 2 into 2 means 4. Tau function also gives the number of divisor. Number of divisor means order of the subgroup will divide the order of the group. Means somehow we are related or finding divisors. So option D is correct. The number of group homomorphism from Z12 to Z13 is 0, 1, more than 1, but finitely many, infinite. Means we have to find how many homomorphism will exist here. As homomorphism, suppose defined by function f, domain is Z12 to Z13, then total number of homomorphism if f is a function from Zm to Zn, then total number of homomorphism by the GCD of Mn. So for this GCD of 12, 13, this is 1, means unique homomorphism, group homomorphism. Sometimes asked about how many onto group homomorphism, then condition is that codomain, suppose this is codomain, so n must divide m, then number of onto homomorphism by phi n. Sometimes, many times asked onto homomorphism. So keep remember onto homomorphism by phi n, but condition is that n must divide m. For this problem 13 doesn't divide 12, so there is no onto homomorphism. An element A in a group has order 100, then the order of A raised to the power 65 is whatever the power of an element, suppose power n, then order of this element you can find by the formula order of A divided by GCD of exponent or power for which asked with order A. GCD of n comma order A. For this particular question, order of A raised to the power 65 will be order of A is as 100 and GCD of 65 comma 100, this one will equal to 100 divided by greatest common divisor. We will find greatest common divisor of 65 and 100. So 5 into 2. So GCD is 5. So 100 divided by 5, this is equal to 20. So option C is correct. The center of GL2R is, we have to find center of GL2R. 2 is only the size of the matrices which are come in GL2R and having determinant non-zero. Size of the matrix or matrices. We have to find Z of this one. Means Z denote the center in group theory. Center CENTRE or sometimes CENTR. So center of in general center of GLNR means matrices entries are real is group of scalar matrices whose entries whose scalar matrices means whose entries or scalar entries because some entries are zero are central invertible elements. Central invertible elements. Using this fact, elements of R, we are talking about real entries. This is not a scalar matrix in option A. Option A is upper triangular matrices. Option B is scalar matrices because of diagonal elements are same and other than diagonal elements entries are zero. Also, these matrices have non-zero determinant. You can check A square minus 0 and A is not equal to 0. That's why is given. So option B is correct. The total number of positive divisor of 7777 is total number of positive divisor we find by the function tau n. This give you positive total number of positive divisor. One important application asked in group theory whenever question is asked about number of subgroup subgroups in Zn. By Lagrange theorem, subgroups divide the order of the group means somehow related to divisor and we will find answer of this problem is tau n. Tau n is product of powers plus 1 and these powers are prime powers. Prime powers you will understand better by this problem as we will find tau double seven means 4 times 7. So first do prime factorization of double seven. Prime factorization first is by 7 then by 11. 1 is 11, 0, 1 is 11 and then 101. So prime factorization is 7 into 11 into 101. So tau, if these are prime, then tau distribute. So this is tau 7, this is tau 11 and this is tau 101. These are primes 11, 7 and 101. These are primes. So according to tau function, powers are 1, 1, 1 means 1 add here. So 2, 1 plus 1 again become 2 and this is again 2. So 2 into 2 into 2. Answer is 8. So total number of positive divisor of 7777 is 8. Option A is true.